crushed somewhere over there. Morning everybody, here's another beautiful day for a ride and it's sunny. I hope there won't be any rain on the way. Up. Yesterday I had to dry all my stuff because even if you've got some rain gear, the water always gets somewhere in and I have to dry almost everything. At least the boots are dry. That's the main thing. The gloves aren't dry, so they're gonna travel over here to dry off. So let's go. Today I'm going towards Bulgarian border along the coast of Black Sea here in Romania. Let's go somewhere over here. We're gonna see the Black Sea a bit. Been here yesterday, but we could see it again. I think it's already end of the season over here because almost every shop was closed yesterday. There weren't too many people over here. Got a nice promenade over there. I've been walking on it yesterday with a fountain and some other attractions for the kids. And I didn't told you where am I. I'm in Euphoria Sud, a few kilometers from Constanta. It's already 23 degrees, so hope today is gonna be another sunny day. Oh, a boat. They've got boats, they've got planes on the roundabouts. Got everything over here. They do have a cool name for local coastal towns like Jupiter and Venus, Saturn. They do got quite an obstacle course over here, through the small bridge, over the railway tracks, and then through the hole in the fence. Some kind of museum, coastal defense or something like that. Oh, so many cannons. That's a harbour. There's some military ships. It looks like a roundabout for the ships. Just at the border. I'm gonna stop recording. And I'm in Bulgaria. It went smoothly on the border in just a few minutes. I forgot to check one thing before I came into the country. If I do need to have a vignette to ride motorcycle on Bulgarian roads, because I see the sign everywhere. I just went to the petrol station and asked them if that's necessary for the motorcycle, and they said no, you don't need to have one. So it's clear now. Did have to go in one of the small cities on the way to the center of it and exchange the rest of my Romanian lei to Bulgarian leva. I'm leaving Varna city on my left side, somewhere over there, and heading inland and into the mountains. Now we've got a nice view. So we're on some kind of plateau. Now I'm going down. And the temperature is a bit different. Up there it was very windy and quite chilly. Now when I descended over here, it's at least 5-7 degrees Celsius more. There isn't too much traffic over here. I can see some hills all around me, but they do look like some kind of old volcanoes or something like that. It's all of them are flat on the tops. They do got quite a lot of vineyards over here in Bulgaria. I've seen a lot of them on my way. The trees are a bit in the way, some of the rock formations. Oh, cool place. Madara Rider. Maybe I'm gonna try to fly the drone over here. Just lost my drone. I didn't know where is it. It actually could be anywhere. I've been flying around some over here. Lost the signal. I think probably it hit the rock and fell down somewhere. Last location is somewhere over here. It's showing it's here, but it's probably over there somewhere. It's showing me it's that direction, but it's you know, there's a big wall of stone over here. It's crushed somewhere over there. This is what the place famous from. There's a sculpture over there, the rider of Madara, or Madara rider. I don't know if you can see it from this distance. The drone is lost. Going around, there's one way up over there to get to that plateau, but I haven't got big hopes. It did smash probably somewhere against the rock and lying in some rot or something like that. It was insured, but you know, still, before it wasn't working because of the update of the Samsung software. Now I've lost it somewhere in Bulgaria. That's a bummer. There should be a road somewhere over here nearby. There's the road. There's also a viewpoint somewhere over here on the end of this road. Some off-roading, but I didn't want it to do this over here. Is this the road to the viewpoint? Hope so. Far away from this place or not? stop for a minute. I did succeed twice to find my drone when I've lost it, but and this is another case, so I'm not able even to go near the place where it crashed. I think I'm gonna leave it like that and see where this road's gonna lead me, and go back on the road. Shit happens. So okay, let's try to find some petrol station, because I'm also a bit short on petrol. This is now useless. It's just gonna take place in the bag. I'll have to live with it. Okay, I have to backtrack because this road doesn't lead anywhere. It just goes around the fields up here. So I have to backtrack on the main road and find some petrol station, because I haven't got too much left. Things happened. Lost my drone, so there won't be any drone footage on the rest of the trip. Pity. Back on the road and find some petrol station. I hope I won't lose anything else during this ride. At least I can admire those rock formations from down here. It's somewhere over there. In case someone's gonna be here, my drone is somewhere over there. What will you do if you're not able to do anything? They've got those rock formations everywhere over here, and there seems to be something on the top of it, a castle or a monument, maybe just a rock. I'm at the second place I wanted to visit. It's Breslav Fortress. It is walkable, so I'm gonna go and see what's it all about.
Unfortunately, the 360 camera microphone isn't so good as I thought it will be. That's why I have to do some voiceovers, and my squeaky boots aren't helping too. I'm in Breslav Fortress. It was the capital of the First Bulgarian Empire from 893 to 972, and it was the one of the most important cities in this part of Europe in those years. Now I'm in a city. There was a royal palace over here, there was a palace basilica over here too, a round church, and few other most important buildings in the city. You can see one of the gates leading to the inner city. The outer part of the city is much larger, and its walls are several hundred meters away from this place. Most of the elements that you can see were built nowadays on the base of old foundations.
I know one thing, the sightseeing in this outfit isn't the best idea, especially in this kind of weather. The road goes now through the part of that city center from the 9th century. This is an old church. There's the other gate, probably. Palace Monastery. The walls are up to here. Okay. Now I'm gonna head to the place I'm gonna stay for the night, and I'm gonna put my head under a very cold shower after today. Maybe on the last part there will be some nice roads on the way. Just a few kilometers from the archaeological site and I'm already in the mountains. That's nice. Oh, what a road. There's something positive now. That's where I'm going. There aren't too many villages on the road. In Romania there was plenty of villages along the roads and in the mountains. Here they are just from time to time. As you can see, there's not much buildings in the side. Can't see anything when the sun gets in your face. In Romania, when there was a very twisty road, there were plenty of warning arrows which direction does the road go. Here there isn't anything, so it's better not to be too cheeky and careful with the speed in the corners, because you may end up in a ditch somewhere. Another cool looking place, another rock formation. But also a beautiful view on this side. Goat just chewing on a bush. The day started in Romania, then I crossed the border to Bulgaria, going along the coast. Then I went a bit inland towards the mountains. On my first sight I've lost my drone, so it isn't a good day today. Quite costful. And now I've landed in a place where I'm gonna stay for the night. I'm gonna show you the place a bit just from the outside, because it's a very nice place. It's my room, there's the other one, there's the main building. There's a restaurant inside. We've got some small bungalows like this one in the back too. Over there. And the motorcycle's just by the bungalow. And it doesn't look too good. It's dirty as hell. I have to clean it up. Maybe the day after tomorrow. So I think that's it from me today. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe down below. See you next time.